today's video we will talk about the candle making. So for that you can easily get the following items in your nearby stores, or which you can get it from the markets. So these items you will be needing for a candle making are, the one is sand. These are the sand, and the other one is decorative item that can be leaf or a flowers, which you can easily get from a market. Then the other one is pebbles, the ships and the shells. The other thing is you can get it colors. There are different type of colors which are available in the market. Then we have a straw and a holder, candle holder. We have a straws and wicks and a twister too. These are the wicks and these are the twister. And we have some pebble for a decorative of a decoration of a candle. Then we have a molds for a wax candle making, and these are the small mold, the other molds which we'll be using for a candle. Then we have other molds as well, and a whisk and a scissor we will be needing. So these are all the items which we will be needing for a candle making. Candle making will be done by putting a wick inside the mold, and then we can have a holder. We will be needing a small glass for we are putting some sand inside it. So that is all for a decorative purpose. So this is another candle which we'll be going to make. These are so we have put the sand inside it. Now we'll be putting, with the help of a twister, we can put the shells. So these are the shells, putting the shells inside it. And we will be needing some pebbles. You can put it like this by giving some gap. That is how we can make the candle. And more of color items, whatever you want to pick it up, because we have already told you about this all items which you'll be needing. Then you can put some leaves. This is how you have to do. With the help of a twister we are putting. Now you can add some more other items. And with the help of a holder, the wick, we are inserting a wick, and the wick is already inserted like this way, and this is how you can put it down. These are the two candles. So with the help of this wick, the way you can see, we have put with the help of a holder which we have inserted the wick, and then we have put some decorative items. For example, you can see the sand, the shells, pebbles, and in the other also, if you want to fill something you can fill that. The other one is of a, which you can see, a cup mold, that you are going to fill it with the wax. The other one is with the jelly wax. So both are different. So that is how we are going to make it. Now till the time the gel is going to melt it, we are going to pour inside this like the way we have done it. You can see there the gel which is melted and which is poured in the mold or glass. And the other thing is, for the other one we have a wax in which we are putting the colors. The color is added on the wax, you can see this, and this is how we are going to shake it, and after a while we are going to pour it inside the mold. This is how we are going to pour it. Yeah, and this is how the candle making is done. So with this, it's an easy step. After once the candle is going to settle down with the gel, we are going to remove this holder. After an hour, when a gel and a wax both have settled down, This is the final product which we will get. And for a more enhancement of your candle, you can use live leaf, flowers, petals, etc. So this was all about the candle making. I hope you liked the video. If you like, please press the like button. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.